Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 mouse right click not working issue. Press Windows and R key, type devmgmt.msc, press enter key. Press tab key, press down arrow key. Press right arrow key. Press enter key. Press tab key to select driver tab. Press enter key. Press tab key then press enter key to select search automatically for drivers. Press tab and enter key to close. Alt F and press X keys to exit. Press Alt F4 keys, select restart. Second method is press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys, select Task Manager. Press Tab keys and Spacebar key to select more details. Press Tab key and down arrow key to select Windows Explorer, press Tab key and Spacebar to restart. Press Alt F and X key to exit Task Manager. Third method is press Tab key and type CMD. Enter Run as administrator. Type SFC /scano. Type shutdown space, -R space, -F space, -T space, 00. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.